Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Taurus, H sign. This is February monthly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you in February and what's going on. Taurus, what are the messages for you? One card. Knight of Pentacles. Someone is returning. Yeah. Think. Knight of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles and King. King of Pentacles. Ten of Pentacles, Five of Cups, Wheel of Fortune. The Tower. So there is a tower moment for you right now. Maybe you're undergoing some tower moment. Maybe there is separation from your person and that creates you so much pain for you, and it is like this. Okay, there is some tower moment for you right now, Taurus. But let's see your reading. Recent past, Knight of Pentacles, Page of Wands and King of Pentacles. I think for some there are new persons, two persons. One is new and one is past. For some it could be only one, that your person changing from Knight of Pentacles to King of Pentacles, and it is very positive change. Then there will be some communication also you had already received. If not, it is going to be. Definitely there will be Page of Wands communication, and one person is younger than the other person in this connection, and one person is very good looking. So they're willing to come back. They want to return to you. If not, they're coming back. And they really want to offer stability, this person. Right now, Ten of Pentacles, Five of Cups, Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, you're suffering. You're feeling sad for the separation, but you're working towards your career and your money is very good. Taurus, Ten of Pentacles. You are creating more money. You are feeling very abundant. Things are turning out in your favor. Wheel of Fortune, you have overcome this pain. Maybe this is for something also. For someone, you are feeling very sad, but you overcome this pain, and because Wheel of Fortune is here, things are turning out in your favor. And future energies, Six of Wands, the Devil and Four of Swords. Six of Wands with Ten of Pentacles. I think you are getting success and you are also getting recognition for your hard work. And you are very attractive way you are working, and yeah, see, you are getting success, you are getting recognition for your hard work. And the Devil with Four of Swords, maybe your person is very dominative, maybe they're obsessed with you. I think it is your person, that's why there is no contact situation right now between both of you. Maybe it could be you or your person. I think it's you in my consideration. Energy could be vice versa. You are undergoing some healing process and you are doing meditation, whatever. But there is some obsession also. Maybe you are obsessed with your person and thinking about them. That's why you want to overcome that obsession, that negative thoughts. That's why you are doing healing and meditation, what I'm getting here. So the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Capricorn, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going on. Under the deck, Eight of Cups, separation. Maybe one person is walked away. If this is your person did, now they are feeling regret. So let's see your person current feelings first, then their actions. So Taurus, your person current feelings. Yeah, they see you as their Empress and Hierophant and Five of Swords. And under the deck, Seven of Wands. They won't give up on you. They're feeling regret for what they did to you. For the decision also, if they walked away from you. And the Hierophant with Five of Swords. Still there are some disturbances. Still there is misunderstandings between both of you, but they want to commit to you. And Hierophant, I think in past there is no commitment. Your person may be non-committal, but now they want to commit to you. Now they're seeing your worth, Empress. Because you stand by your power, you are working hard, you are getting success. Now they're seeing your worth. That's why they want to offer commitment and they won't give up on you. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Taurus. Four of Wands, yeah. Three of Pentacles, another deck. Yeah, they really want to work on this relationship. They want partnership with you. And Nine of Wands, they're thinking about you a lot. They want to offer stability because 10 of Pentacles. Commitment, the Hierophant with 10 of Pentacles. This time your person is very serious and sincere also. And Queen of Wands. And your person also very attractive person. They're also very grounded. Maybe you both have some ego problems also for some, but now they really want to offer stability to this connection, and commitment is coming because Three of Pentacles is also here. In past there is no balance, there is no collaboration between both of you. So the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. King of Pentacles, High Priestess, Eight of Pentacles. Yeah, they really want to work on this relationship. And King of Pentacles, stability. And maybe your person is very abundant. They are already financially very stable. High Priestess, this time they are listening to their higher self. That's why they're feeling the regret for the decision. They have regrets. It's you. Two of Wands. You're thinking about them a lot. You both are thinking about each other a lot. Taurus. See, the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Lovers. There is love between both of you. I think there will be reconciliation for those who are in separation, for those who are not in separation, and this is going to be next level upgradation in love. Yeah. And you both are thinking about each other. They're coming back to offer commitment. Yeah, this time your person is very sincere and serious. And Ten of Wands, you are feeling overburdened. Maybe due to work pressure, maybe family responsibilities, whatever right now. Taurus. So let's see your overall energy for the month. Maybe you are thinking about maybe the offer, because in past your person in devil energy, obsession. Yeah, you are in still some confusion what to do, which decision you have to make. Tower, yeah, without this person you're feeling tower, but you overcome this and you will be stand by your power. Seven of Swords. Why you are in so much confusion? Because your person playing games with you. Maybe they're telling lies to you, or maybe they're putting you in third party situation. Definitely there is something sneaky. That's why you don't want to trust them. That's why you are in some confusion, but you will overcome this and stand by your power. Yeah, for some there will be, I think I am seeing they're sincere if there is no third party. If there is third party, it's up to you what to do, but they're coming back and you're thinking about them also. You also have some love. I think what I'm getting here from you, one part of you want reconciliation and another part of you don't want reconciliation. That type of confusion. So let's see your person overall energy. Taurus. But your money is very good. See, they're obsessed with you. The person involved in this connection could be Capricorn. Yeah, maybe your person manipulated. That's why you are thinking. Maybe they have player type energy. They manifesting you back. They're wishing for you. And maybe for some their wish is going to be granted, because 9 of Cups is wish fulfillment. 5 of Cups. Yeah. They're missing you so much. And they are also feeling sad for the separation. Yeah, they are manifesting you back. but you are not trusting them. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck, Taurus. Confidence is your key to success when especially new moon in Leo. If you are doing any work, or if you are presenting anything in your life, in your work area, whatever in your life, in any area, you have to be confident. Okay, especially when you are doing your work in work area, confidence is your key to success. Even though you are doing all work, you are not confident about that. Maybe you are getting not enough results for your hard work, what I'm getting here. So confidence is your key to success. This is the message from universe. So this is the reading for you, Taurus. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.